Hey, this is Rob. I'm at the flea market. Check out this car. Okay, the hood is all oxidized, the roof is all oxidized, it's spider webbing. If your car looks like this, if the front end of your car looks like that, you want to use this. Will you do me a favor, son? Just hold that. Hold it right there. You don't have to touch it, just hold it right there. I'm going to use this product here. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is actually a paint cleaner. It's got nothing to do with shine. The problem here is that the Clearcoat is contaminated. So I'm going to put some on right here like this to show you how easy it is to fix a paint job like this. Fix It is not a wax. We're not going to do the traditional circles. Instead, we're going to rub up and down and remain on that spot. What happens when you use Fix It, it's an ionizer. It permeates into the striations and cracks, breaks up the crusty layer, but there's no pumice or silica, so you don't strip the clear coat. This way you're able to bring back the shine back to its original state. So all I did was clean it right now. I didn't wax it. Look how beautiful that came out. Look at that, okay? That's permanent. There's no shine now. Very important thing about Fix It. Fix It is not a wax, it's a cleaner. So even though that looks nice and shiny, you can see the clouds right there. Watch this, there's no shine on here. It's 100% clean. And the best time to wax it, can you hold that? Is when it's 100% clean. So now I'm gonna use a product called Easy Wax. You guys can use any wax that you want, but Easy Wax is the way you wanna go because this is a clear coat wax. What does that mean? It's got carnauba, polymer, copolymer conditioners. That means when you use this wax, it's gonna clean it, condition it, and seal it. This way you lock in that beautified paint, you lock out the contaminants that would otherwise stain it again. Wow. The cleaner brings it back, but the wax here treats it and seals it. Use this wax here, you'll never use the cleaner again. If you guys have a car that looks like this, call us up. Our number is 505-304-8652. My name is Rob. If you have any questions, this stuff is amazing what you can do with it. You can fix your headlight lenses, your windows with it. Give me a call, talk to me. Look how beautiful this came out. That's just, would you agree, ladies?
Yep. Yeah,
wow,
nice.
That's just beautiful.
Now you can do the whole car, no?
Yeah, no kidding, huh? Well, see, look at that hood and the roof. I mean, the sides always look good, okay? But just remember, Lukat Fix It. Watch our videos. If you're on YouTube, just go to Lukat Fix It. That's our number. Call us up and give us a call. Talk to you later. Bye.